natin today ay tambay!
Yay!
So, dito tayo sa Festival Mall sa Alabang. Daming tao. Pag ano yun na lang muna natin si RR ay dessert. Tara, baby, dito. Oh.
What do you have?
Ha?
What do they have?
What do they have? Come here so you can see. Ayan, oh, baby, oh. Baby, here, oh. Ayan, Sunday, and then... Okay sa'yo, anak, to, Sunday.
Apa.
Yung pinili nga ni RR is yung 300 pesos na sundae, and may kasama na siyang 2 toppings, and yung pinili ni RR na toppings ay ano yung dalawang toppings na pinili mo?
Sprinkle and Oreo.
Yeah, sprinkle and Oreo, and then you have option dun sa sundae kung gusto mong vanilla or salted caramel, which we will taste test and we will see if worth it ba yung 300 pesos.
It's 100 and you like it, it's 100, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, go na, Baba, you do the taste test.
Apa.
Sige. Oh.
Good. 100.
100. You like it? How about this one? You want to try this? You like it? What's your rate?
100.
100. Okay. So, now, ako naman na mag-taste test. O, unahin muna natin yung pinaka-ice cream muna. Saglit lang ha. Kaya lang kasi may kasama talaga. Teka lang. May kasama talaga kasi siyang crush na Oreo.
Yummy? Yummy?
Now, try natin yung whip.
Yummy? Yay!
Now, try natin yung... Hindi ako kumakain ng cherry. Pero, sige.
Yummy? It's good? The cherry?
Para sa akin kasi talaga, hindi ko gusto yung lasa ng cherry. Parang lasa siyang gamot. Pero yung ice cream at saka yung whipped cream nila, masarap. This one, I would rate this 7/10. Ayan. So, we will enjoy our dessert na. You like it?
It's milk.
Ang importante sa lahat, masaya si RR.